Hi guys, welcome back. So yesterday about Nifty futures, because there is a strong value yesterday and the prices got accepted. Likely it will go for 23,650 levels and it could be a rotational market because of strongest value. About Bank Nifty, I was speaking about there is a good possibility it will come down to 50,000 levels because the prices itself has got accepted inside value area. If you look at today, the prices came down all the way down to this number and the low itself is around 49,620 levels, and there was a rotation towards the Monday's value area. So welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. Here in this video we'll look at what has happened in both Nifty and Bank Nifty futures, and we will analyze why this happened and how you could have traded here. First, let's take Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty itself has opened just around the value area low of yesterday and it tested inside the value area but then immediately closed outside the value area. On first 1 hour also it has closed outside the value area. So if you have gone through my previous videos, I continuously speak about look for where the price is opening and where the price is closing. So as the prices closes outside, it indicates that the initiative sellers are trying to push the prices below the yesterday's value area. So that is what happened. There is a good possibility it will go for this open low and this round number, which acts as a strong price magnet. But I was also in yesterday's video and day before yesterday's video, I was mentioning that unless the prices goes below 49,400 to 49,800 levels and sustains for 1 hour or 2 hour, there is a good possibility prices might turn around. That is what happened. Previously it has happened multiple times, so this is the fourth time. So by default what you do, you try to assume that there could be a turnaround around these markets. So this time also sellers have failed to take the control. For tomorrow guys, again 49,400 levels stands, and this levels needs to be sustained on 1 hour or 2 hour. Unless that happens, there is going to be buyers will try to take control into the value areas. For any kind of long opportunities, watch for 49,780 levels. Any acceptance around this area, it might even go for the value area high of today, which is at 50,200 levels, and it might even go for 50,400 and 50,673 levels, because this is where strong ledge area and failed auction area is there. There is a good possibility if prices gets accepted inside again Monday's value area, it might go for 50,700 levels, but take like multiple targets. So this is with Bank Nifty guys. Coming to Nifty, if you look at the opening itself is inside the value area, indicating the Nifty has been opened by the non-directional traders, and then there is a limit seller of 2.7k at lows. So that limit seller took the prices downside and it touched the 23,660 levels and it made a low at 23,594 levels, and then prices reversed. And never ever ignore these kind of strong values. So what happened here is, as the prices goes down, whoever have bought it at the lower levels, they find the much lower levels as strong prices to buy again. So what they do, they strongly buy it. So because of the strong value, so the prices went and it entered into this value area, covering almost 90% of the value. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is the prices itself has closed around the value area high. So there is a good possibility if prices opens inside today's value area, it could be a sideway market too. It might even go for 23,900 levels. But for any kind of further move guys, you need to watch for 24,000 to 24,050 levels. Then we can be sure it might go for 24,150 and it might even go for 24,200 levels. For now, if you look at Nifty itself got rejected at previous multi-day balance low. I was also mentioning from last few days 23,320 to 23,400 levels is high likely, so it will get revisited. It's a strong price magnet around 23,400 levels, so it will get revisited. How the market plays around, that is going to be very tricky. So there is a buyer around this area, so it's not once, almost 4 times the prices got rejected around 23,600 to 700 levels. So by default we assume the buyers will come back again. So this also 23,400 to 320 levels, it will get revisited. So when it will get revisited, we need a little push from global markets global markets has to be closing strongly negative. If they close strongly negative, then good possibility this will be touched. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.